5 home remedies for dry and damaged hair. Everyone wants beautiful hair. Dry, damaged hair has become a common problem nowadays. Lack of oil and moisture in the hair can be considered as the main cause of the dry hairs. Excessive use of cosmetic products such as shampoo and hair conditioner can affect the quality of hairs. Further, excessive use of the hair dryer and the high potassium diet, fortifying vitamins, and then the various hair dryers can also affect. Various types of the home remedies are available to deal with the problem of dry damaged hairs. Number 1 is banana. Banana can also help to repair damaged hairs. The high potassium, vitamins, natural oils, moisture content in the banana can help to soften your hair and it improves its elasticity. Mash 1 ripe banana and work it thoroughly into your hairs. Allow it to sit for about 1 hour and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Number 2 is hibiscus, an excellent Ayurvedic remedy to promote the hair growth and repair damaged hair is hibiscus. Hibiscus seals the hair cuticles with moisture and helps to add the shine and luster to dry damaged hairs. Heat 8 to 10 hibiscus flowers in the 1 cup of coconut oil until charred. Strain, allow it to cool, and then use it for hair oil. Massage this oil on your hair for about few minutes and leave it on for about 30 minutes before washing your hairs. Number 3 is black tea. Black tea is also known as for dry damaged hairs. Being rich in polyphenols and vitamin C and E, black tea adds shine and softness to the damaged hairs. It also protects the hair against damage caused by the UV rays. Boil 1 cup of water and then add black tea back to it. Cover in shallow and allow it to cool for the 10 minutes. Add 1 to 2 drops of the jasmine essential oil, allow for the water to cool. And then leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes, then wash it off with water. Follow this treatment for 1 to 2 times a week. Number 4 is honey. Honey is very nourishing for the damaged hair. This can attract and loop moisture into your hair cuticles and then make it soft and healthy. Mix 1/4 cup of the organic raw honey with enough water to thin it out. Apply it to damp hairs and allow it to sit for about 30 minutes. Then rinse it off with warm water. Follow this treatment twice a week for effective results. Number 5 is white vinegar. To treat damaged hair, another popular remedy is white vinegar. Its clarifying properties help to remove built-up residue from the hair and seals the cuticles. Plus, white vinegar helps to restore the natural pH level of the scalp, promotes healthy hair growth, and will make your hair soft, shiny. Mix 1 cup of the distilled white vinegar in 3 cups of water. Use it to rinse your hair after condition. Allow it to sit for about 5 minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water and dull dry. And do this once a week for a few weeks.
Thanks for watching.